the PCA's annual trade show. We have 85 to 90 annual exhibitors. It's one of the largest plumbing and mechanical trade shows in Dade County, Florida.
I think that this has been a fantastic operation, extremely well coordinated, great for the community, and I'm really happy to see such a great attendance both on the supply side and on the contractor side.
The PCA trade show is a great place to come. You can get a lot of product knowledge. You can visit all kinds of booths with Kohler, information about faucets, tools, all kinds of different opportunities.
And we've been doing the PCA show for a few years already, and this is great. It's great to see people, it's great to see our customers, our friends that we've been doing business for so long, and keep seeing them every year.
We've supported the show, the association, and it's a great opportunity to really meet a great deal of customers at the show. We just appreciate all the hard work that goes into it. It's a great show that we look forward to every year.
We've been participating in the show for longer than I can really remember, but one of the great advantages of being involved in the PCA Plumbing and Mechanical Expo is it allows us to be in front of our customer. So it's a great venue in order to be able to not only showcase your products but advance the industry.